Second point is, in the properties of vector addition, that addition is associative. Now, proof. Let A, B and C represents vectors, vector A, vector B and vector C represents vectors such that vector O is represented by vector A, vector AB is represented by vector B and vector BC is represented by vector C according to this figure. Now, left hand side we have to prove A plus sum of vector B and vector C. Now, vector B followed by vector C is equal to vector B is equal to AB plus BC. Now, in triangle ABC, vector AB followed by vector BC is equal to vector AC. Triangle law of vector. Vector A and sum of vector B followed by vector C is equal to, now vector A is represented by OA and OA is followed by B plus C and B plus C is equal to what? AC. C is equal to AC. Now it means this part directing towards this side, this becomes vector B plus vector C. Now we are having OA and AC. Now, in triangle OAC now, OA followed by AC is equal to OC. Number 1. Triangle law of vector. Now, right hand side we are having vector A followed by vector B and both followed by vector C. Now, A and B, vector OA plus vector AB. In triangle OAB now, OA followed by AB is equal to OB. Triangle law of vector. Followed by vector C is equal to, now this part is OB with C is what? BC. Now, in triangle OBC. Now from 1 and 2 both are equal to OC, this is also OC and this is also OC, okay, and now this becomes what? OC, it is from 1 and 2 is equal to hence proved.